What's up, guys? Will H back with another video. So today we're going to be applying the Whitestone Dome tempered glass screen protector for your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. You can pick these up on Amazon.com. The price is $15.99. Right now, they're also offering a $2 discount coupon that you can apply as well. So these are easy installation, 30 seconds. It comes with an alignment tool. These are going to be high clarity, high definition, clear glass, guarantees flawless display, and it's going to be complete protection as well. I'll drop the link in the description if you guys want to pick these up. Here's the packaging. You see Whitestone Dome Premium Screen Protector all in one pack. You're going to get 2 of these in here, and it tells you what's in the packaging right there. So let's go ahead and get this applied. See how to get into this box. All right, got the box open. And let's see what's all in here. So you're going to have your little alignment tool, which is always great to help align your screen protector. You're going to have your kit here with dust absorbers, alcohol pad, and microfiber cleaning cloth. You get these little stickers here. They may be some kind of alignment tools. We're going to see. You get your 2 screen protectors right here. Get a little squeegee. And you get your installation guide here. And these look like these are for the inside of display as well. So didn't know they were included in there. So let's go ahead and I'm going to look at these instructions and see how to do this and come right back. All right, guys. So after looking at it, it's pretty simple. We're going to go ahead and clean the display here. Get this all set up. And there's also 2 in here for the inner display as well. I did not read the package, but you do have 2 of them in there for that. So let's go ahead and get this cleaned up. Get the alcohol pad out. Now, this shouldn't take very long. Like they said, 30 seconds, and you should have this on there. Just a little small surface to work with here. And let's get it cleaned up. And let's go ahead and get this wiped down. Now we're going to do the dust absorber. Make sure there's no dust particles under there. All right. Let's go ahead and drop the little tool on here. And it just snaps right in place like that. Now I have turned my display off. But look, it hit the button and it's coming back on. So you just take this one side off right here, just like that. And then you just align this and drop it in place. It said make an X, and that is that. So there it is. See if it's adhering. Let's go ahead and take it off. There's a little bubble there. I think when I pulled it off, may have created a little gap there. Now, the only thing about this, it doesn't go cover your whole display there. As you guys see, the tool is not that wide, but there it is. So when my cases come in, I shouldn't have any issue. Let's go ahead and get this started up. Check the sensitivity on it. All right, so this is what it looks like here. No bubbles, as you guys see at all there. But like I said, it does not cover your whole display here. So just be mindful of that. Get this stuff out of the way. But very easy to put on. Let's see just how sensitive this is. Let's go ahead and unlock it. You guys see, no issues strolling around here. Yep, so no issues here. Let's go ahead and swipe from the top. And let's go ahead and long press. Let's get back in it. Long press. Yeah, so we're navigating throughout. There's no issue. Pinch is working. You do feel it a little bit on the edge right there, but not bad, man. The Whitestone Dome tempered glass screen protector for your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. I'll definitely drop the link in the description if you guys want to pick it up. Will H. I'm out.